Myself, I love myself. It's my cute to see. My cute, my cute, my sweet. Say, I don't want your body because I know. I did my BBL and it's coming along well.
I just look at shape and the titty and the bottom make everybody agree say it's actually a girl in a
Dekiboo channel, forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So Dekiboo can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
So, good morning. Good morning, my boos. As you can see, I got in my nursery. I literally just woke up. I'm still cute. Basically, my house, not my house, but where I'm staying is this. That's what's going on, man. Over this side, it's like this, and this should be my room. Well, it is my room, but it's all packed. And I wanted to show you all where I showered. Normally I shower in the back bathroom, but I shower outside now. So yeah, right now I'm going to make something to eat. I will have to make cup soup and I'm gonna make it in the microwave. It's actually ramen, so just stay tuned to the end. This is the first time I'm like actually recording my piercing out like fully, because I had made a video showing y'all my piercing, but this is how it looks now. I need to go and wash my face because like, my eye feels droopy. Yeah. So my face is kind of dark, but this is it. I'm trying to find. Oh, what's it? Oh my god. I'm trying to. Oh, this is my facial pan, but make sure I leave it out because I use it on a regular, so I'm gonna need it. So that's where my clothes are kept now. I'm gonna use this. Oop, I'm stuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no, come on. I'm reaching. What is this? You know what? Okay. I made it. So this is it. It's Garnier Skin Active Clay Mask. It's a cleanser, yeah. So don't mind the dirty glass. The glass one clean, but y'all know what's up already, so yeah. I'm bald. A lot of people like my bald head. I don't know why. Enough people like my bald head. And oh, my nose. It's 1 week since I did this piercing, so that's the reason why I'm kind of feeling a bit of pain. in the nose. I don't want your body, cause I know you take a promise of somebody else. And I'm looking at you, trying to figure out, this is what you really want. Say, I don't want your body, cause I know. Yes, so this feel kind of coolish, cause it having, you know, them look a cool sensation there. Yes, that's what my face feels right now. I'm gonna let it stay on my face for like 5-10 minutes until it's dried and get back to y'all. I'm going to wash out the plate so that I can make my noodles as well. Look at this big one. That's so So I changed my mind on the ramen noodles. I forgot that I had some Chinese food, so I'm gonna hot it up in the micro. Yeah, them life here well, yeah. Them life here. It's frozen. So I'm gonna let it go on about 9 minutes or 10 here. Which file paper? Mama, the Chinese food. I have so much food Trinidad cooked and I didn't eat it. So I can eat that later. Yeah. This feels dry now, ain't it? Yeah, it is. I look cute though. I look like a boy fit there. Duh. Yes.
You know, well, let's do this stuff.
Oh Lord. I have some assignments to do. This is it. Basically, this is the first one.
Critically assess 5 arguments why Jamaica should not leave the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council and have CCJ as the final appellate court.
What? Why Jamaica not left England and not go to the Caribbean Court of Justice as them final appeal court?
Why them have to leave England?
Why them not supposed to?
Who says so?
Who says so? I got the question asked. So they know that we are all in favor of leaving it, but them will say why we must leave it, basically. It's hard to find information because I see more information for why them to leave it.
Well, there's a Caribbean country now, I don't know, Jamaica.
And that too. That I
So at the end of the day, England are the one where have them arms. Governor General have to fly out. That means I understand. Them say we have independence. And as far as I'm concerned, the only independence we have is to have our own money and choose the one damn prime minister. But that's never relevant. That's not relevant because every time them choose a pay fuck with them choose.
okay.
Them need to get good prime ministers to run the country. So at the end of the day, if that is the only freedom we have, how are we independent? To make them fuck with decisions there, where we are make? And most that are the independence. So me not understand. Right now, see them fly the gate there. Look how Jamaicans are gonna benefit, are gonna better themselves. No, because it's bloody visa lift. I never did necessarily eat that. Excuse me. Is the right honorable, what's your name? The one who have the Papa told them.
Yes.
The one prime minister's woman. I don't know who tells she said that did relevant. but she not say allegiance to the queen like zero.
You know, say my ear things I drop down in the house. When I back me a boom, boom.
That is expected.
We know, truly, it frightened me.
Roof tear down.
It frightened me. What that happens when they drop on me, boom. And the breeze too, you know, the breeze I blow hard. I'm going to wash off this off my face because it's getting
What do you think that is your color?
I ever think this is my color.
Remember saying you're not being very regular.
Excuse me, you cannot let them know that.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm breach out just.
Sure.
Jamaica just put it in everything and make some triggers of that.
That's us. So this reach of
I don't we make a decision and the people that go put on the head. So what drop off her head must drop on blood shoulder.
Alright. Going to wash off my face. Ooh, tight. Reminds me of something. Oh my god. Oh, wash your face with them ring and all. It's feels cool now.
My workman them let me see. I'll come and see you go. Now I don't come here. The workman them are complain. That give me inspiration.
Ooh, this hot like Rastafari. I think I might have hot it up too much.
Machine and send the cemetery.
In the back. Mama, I took too tough. Where do your face though? I get too much.
You want to see all the Chinese them and them dog. I don't love Chinese so.
You're bright.
Thank you. I bright like the morning star.
At
you
least
know that.
At least that tastes good. I mean, I'm not when it tastes good.
And you talk it live. You have one Chinese store out of. And then let them still there. When
No,
me and the young man they
still
used to there. Him like Chinese. So him say I'm gonna buy Chinese. I send him back out there. Tell himself, tell the people them say. That's what them give me in chicken. And thank God me is a chef. So, me need them for refund back my money. And when him go, them don't even argue with him, them take the food. Oh, I saw you call her. You should have said the ring nose.
I don't want to see me. I don't want
The ring nose, right? Have you so? But this is what, so you know watch for TikTok.
Sorry. Hello?
I keep saying I have nothing to do with yourself. Why are you boring and answer?
What do you mean?
You don't have nothing to do. Like
Taja.
She said she concerned.
Taja, don't be too concerned. Remember, she's going through a midlife crisis.
Stop it.
clearly she's having a midlife crisis. Just why are you doing that to yourself?
So you don't like it?
Yourself. No, I don't. I've never been a fan of nose piercing. So you can't ask me that.
But no one pierce my one.
I'm gonna stop telling my dad church.
No.
I'm gonna try to stop spirit to rat.
Hey, talk from fucking spirit to rat.
Taja, the one with me would have done the one like
regular one.
Auntie Jackie, a small one like with Auntie Jackie one.
I don't care. I do not care.
No. My 20-odd-year-old Britney. I tell her 40-odd-year-old mother.
Church to listen to the
She said
message
she
that's being preached and stop entertaining you with devils on my phone. So,
Should I listen to the message of free try to entertain with devils?
You know what?
Okay. Love you.
Feel weird.
I love to watch My Story animated. I just watched one and I literally cried. I don't know if I'm emotional, but like some of the stories, they are very touching. I'm in class right now. Can't wait till this class is up. Hey Elsa and Anna. Class just over, and if you guys ask me one thing I've learned, I can't tell you. I'm so tired. I was literally sleeping in the class. I'm going to take a nap now and wake up back because I have another class at 3. I wanted to oil my hair, but the way I'm tired, it's best I go sleep so that I can prepare for class at 3. Oh, let me set my alarm so I can wake up back. In the middle of my class, like gone. Every single weekend, literally. Like gone at this place. No. This is serious. Literally, you know, guys, every single weekend since the past month. Like gone every day. Every weekend. Dekiboo idle out the whole day today. Like after class, I went to watch some YouTube videos on like septum piercing, other piercing, extreme piercing, like people wear them pick out all in other mouth, them nose, them a lot of things. Then I started watching King and Shay YouTube video, and now I'm going to oil my hair because it's dry, literally. I'm going to use Jolie Fair Extra Nourishing Organic Hair Growth Oil. Bald head is amazing. You can literally get into that hair, the scalp. I mean, you don't have to like oil any long thing. You just rub it up and it gets everywhere. No, I'm going to do my caveman bathing because as you've seen today, my house is under construction and can't really use the bathroom, so I will have to either bathe in a pan in right there, or like just wipe down and stuff for it. Y'all wouldn't know about that because some of y'all are bougie. Or I go outside, and yeah, I'm kind of stressed out because I'm thinking of like my school fee that is due, which I don't know where I'm gonna find that money, but I'm praying to God that he helps me. It's a lot, and I don't even know if I can continue university, but let's see where that leads me. I decided that I'm not gonna shower outside because I'm the only one home and it's dark, so better safe than sorry. I'm gonna use the same bleach and fabuloso to wash the toilet and the sink, so I'm just trying it like this. This is how you economize and save, because all I did was use it to wash the pan, which I'm going to bathe in and which I have been bathing in. Gotcha. Water gone. Now tell me, why me so bad luck, kid? I'm back with water, but I never even want to bathe them. I'm not forget today. I'm so bad lucky, guys. Water on it, so your girl might not shower this evening. I know not long but I might shower after I just cut the clip. I literally, what did I do? I'm just a waste of time. I was just wasting time, and look what I got now. I just finished showering.
Yeah, ghetto style. No, not ghetto style.
Not ghetto. Camp, like, well, what do you call that?
Why I get us lifestyle, do you? Because we show you, we just not care, we just pitch up something and hold a show as long as we clean and fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh and clean.
And trust me, not even the bath in the bathtub.
And growly,
not even when I bed in the bathtub, I feel so clean. Can we get all
I always
angles?
tell about the bath. Yeah, why don't you
She always bed out the door.
Yeah. That shower there, out the door, tell you, just make you feel
Fresh and look how my skin is doing.
freedom.
Oh my god. You're crazy. Well, Miss Ballhead is going to find something to eat. Yeah, Ballhead.
Star, Natty.
Yeah, Ball Star. So, my mother made this for me. It is chicken dumpling. Yum! What else? All the niceness. Yeah. So.
Can I put fire in my microwave now?
Like me an idiot.
Didn't know.
So I was just about to say I'm going to put it in the micro because of the situation I told you about earlier. I don't know what is wrong with this lady. How can I put a file paper in the microwave? So let's see what we got for dinner. You want some of my food? Me? Monkey? Don't worry, this can't share. Oh my god, it must feel so good. I didn't eat this and I have it now to eat. Woo! Your mother can't cook like me, my mother. Your mother can't cook like my mother, Trudy Ann. I hope my real mother don't see this.
But she can't cook like Trudy Ann.
Obviously, everybody know this. So we made a use to cover it up in the microwave. One explain like it.
You use a plastic cover monkey. Why the monkey?
Stop calling me monkey. I'm not a monkey, I'm a gorilla. I keep telling you this. So, I've used the extension because this morning Trudy and we used the socket and make it.
Stop telling people that lie. No, plug it in the next one, don't mess up. Oh, yeah.
Where?
Don't mess up.
What next one?
Yes, Dekisha.
I liar.
There's always a plug there, but because the audio is something there.
Oh my god. Always a plug. I will be that working.
So you just me, did I touch you?
No, seriously.
I'm not trying to electricity that you to my body. You alright? You just stand up there. Your blood.
Sure. You're not nice. This is Teeny. This is one of the best cats we have. He's so loving. He'll eat anything we give him and he loves food. That one over there, that big one is Whitey. She don't like people and no people like her. No one likes her. Yeah. And those are her kitties. She has one more. Not here presently. The Varna made me feel really, really
remind me when I come back to write up some figure in a receipt book. Come and
I'm so cute. Myself, I love myself. It's my cute to see. My cute, my sweet. My sweet, I tell you that I want to be my mother. I'm so sweet.
Oh
my. Guys, I feel fatter. And I came to the conclusion that it is outside. Because I sleep on the veranda, I get so fatter.
You know why is that?
Why?
Your body's now getting more relaxed.
Yes, and I'm not sweating much as I would do in my room. So whenever my room is okay to sleep in, I'm not going back in there. I'll just stay on the veranda with Julia. I'm sure. I'm going to see a difference with my body. I just did a plastic surgery. I did my BBL, and it's coming along well.
I just look at shape and the titty and the bottom make everybody I got to say he's actually a girl and my God, look at the lano.
That's not nice. I am done with you. You're terrible.
Look
Like a boy, guys. Let me see.
Cheers for 2029.
2029?
Yeah.
So far?
What, everything take a time?
Oh, that's a lot.
Nothing not go by procedure. You're awful.
This lady said us look a shape. I don't let people know some is a female.
What you look like a boy with you?
Look like a boy, a cute boy?
Yeah. I'm not gonna take that from you.
Oh God.
You would have been hard to look at.
Food is ready. I'm gonna drink this Malta. It's actually for me and Trudy, but right now I'm feeling to drink it, so I'm gonna drink it. Yeah, I want it, I got it, and I'm gonna buy it back, of course. This is my little bed. The movie is not done yet, but I've decided that I'm gonna close off the video here. So thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell and tell a friend to tell a friend. I've been trying to put in back the nose ring, but it hurts like a bitch. So I'm just gonna go to my bed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.